So guys, this is Gigabyte website. Okay, so you have to come first gigabyte.com. You can see www.gigabyte.com, and this is right hand side search key, and then you type your model number H810M S2H, then hit enter. Then click to product. You can see here H81M S2 and click. Click to support. You can see here first you can select your operating system which is you using. I am using Windows 11. If you are using Windows 10, so no worry, installations process same. You can follow this video and then you can install the driver. Okay, then you can see VGA extract and click to download. I already downloaded, so I show you this one, 915 915 size. So you just click to download. After that you open this, you can see exe file, just double click. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is extract. Then it is done, and then close it.